Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today's look, I'm going to attempt a sunset eye look. So I am starting with the brown. I am using Blends Bunny palette, the Premium palette. And on my face, I have the Estee Lauder Press Powder Foundation, the Double Wear. Today's I am healthy. I am healthy. What is your I am? My I am for today's I am healthy. Let me know what your I am is today in the comments. I'm now going in with the yellow. We are going for a sunset look. In the end, we will see if we did get a sunset eye look. Today's encouraging word will be coming up shortly. Today's encouraging word is I now listen to what I say. I now listen to what I say. Many times we talk, but we're not listening to what we are saying. And by the time we do realize what we say, sometimes it is just too late, or it is not the right time to say what we just said. I now listen to what I say. I'm now going in with the orange. Again, I'm attempting a sunrise makeup look. Let me know in the end, in the comments, if I achieved that sunset look. Now that the orange have taken over, I'm going back in with a little bit of the yellow. I am back with the attempted sunset makeup look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did I achieve a sunset makeup look? My blush? In the comments, let me know if I have achieved that sunset makeup look. My lip color is by Danessa Myrix. I use these two shades to create my lip. My blush is in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I use this color right here. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Never ever dim your light for another. If you are suffering with any mental illness, please seek help. Do not harm yourself or another. And always, always keep shining bright.